Everyone, today I'm going to discuss the topic of the musculoskeletal system of the human body. So this is the structure of the muscular system of the human body. So this is made up of muscles, tendons, cartilage, bones, ligaments. So what is the function of the musculoskeletal system is it protects the human body, it stabilizes and it maintains the size of the body. As well as that, it also helps in the movement of the body also. So we are able to move the body, it's only because of the muscles only, and it helps in the protection of the blood cells. As well as that, it also stores the minerals also. And the system is divided into two types. One is muscular system and the skeleton system. So that is why the name is musculoskeletal system. And in the beginning I have told that there is also skeleton system, so I'm going to cover that also in this chapter also. So it consists of soft tissues and hard tissues. So the system is comprises of two types of tissues. So soft tissues are muscles, tendon, ligament. Hard tissues are bones. So we will see about the muscles. So muscles are the largest soft tissues in the human body. So what these muscles will do is they produce the contractions, and with the help of that contractions only we are able to move the body parts. As well as that, we are able to move the internal organs also. And in humans we have almost 650 plus muscles, and these muscles are divided into three types. So what are those three types? We will see: smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, skeleton muscles. So smooth muscles are located in the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, ureter, bladder, urethra. So cardiac muscles, so these are located in the pericardium, endocardium, myocardium. So skeleton muscles, so apart from the smooth and the cardiac muscles, remaining all are the skeleton muscles. So we will see the skeleton system. So the bones which are there, right? So with the help of the bones only the system is made up of completely, and it is divided into two types: axial and the appendicular. So the axial part, what the bones consist of, we will see. So it consists of skull bones, ear bones, eye bones, rib cage, vertebral column. So here you can see clearly in the image. So these are the bones which consist of the axial system. So the skull bones are frontal, temporal, parietal. So with the help of these only it protects the brain, as well as it also supports the facial structure. So facial bones, lacrimal bone, this is located near the eye, sphenoid, nasal, vomer, zygomatic mandible, maxilla. These are some of the facial bones. So ear bones, malleus, incus and stapes. Here will be the ear bones. So next we will see about the vertebral and the rib cage. So this vertebral column bone, it helps the spinal cord, and the rib cage, it protects the chest which is located inside of this. So this is the thoracic vertebrae. This is the thoracic rib cage. So it surrounds and it protects the chest. Next we will see about the appendicular system. So this consists of pectoral girdle bones, pelvic bones, upper and the lower limb bones. See, the colored one is there, right? So the colored bones are the appendicular skeleton bones: shoulder girdle, upper and the lower, and the pelvic girdle. So we will see that pectoral, pelvic bones are ilium, ischium, pubis. So during the delivery time they fuse together and they form a single bone. So lower limb and the upper limb bones are femur, tibia, tarsal, metatarsal and the phalanges. So we will see about the bone. So here is the structure of the bone. So this bone will provide support and the shape of the body. So this is the upper part, this is the middle part, and this is the lower part, distal part. Middle one also called as the shaft. So in our human body, bones are divided into five types: long, short, flat, irregular and the sesamoid. Here in the image you can see clearly long one, flat one, short, irregular. Sesamoid are very unique. So long bones are located in the thigh region, that is the femur bone. So short bones are cube like, here you can see cube type. So these are located in the wrist of the human body. So flat bones are plate like. See here in the skull we can see these flat bones. Next is the irregular bones. These are very complicated bones and these are located in the pelvic vertebrae and also some facial region also we can see this type of bones. They doesn't have a particular shape. Next is a sesamoid bone. So this is a very specific type of bone and they form within the tendon. So patella kneecap. It is also called as kneecap. So this is one of the example of the sesamoid bone. Next we will see about the tendon and the ligament. So tendon and ligament both are fibrous connective tissue. So what is the tendon? It's nothing but it connects the muscle and the bone. So here you can see in the image it is connecting the muscle and the bone, and ligament it connects the bone and the bone. See here, bone and bone it is connecting. So we will see about the joints. So how joints are formed is when two or more bones will meet, right? So in that condition the joints are formed. So it helps in the movement of the body. So movement is not a necessary part of the joint because some joints will not move inside the human body. Like example, joints between the bones of the skull. So here are some of the joints you can see in the image. So next we will see some medical terminologies which are used in the day-to-day life of the medical code. Arthro means joint, femoro means femur, osteo means bone, sacro means sacrum, ostium means bone. So we will see the pathology of the musculoskeletal system. So myalgia, muscle pain, it's nothing but pain in the muscle of the body. Muscular dystrophy is a group of disease when the muscles which help in the movement, so when that will become weak, so it leads to this condition. Arthritis is nothing but the swelling of the joint. Osteoporosis is when the bones will become weak, so it leads to this condition. Carpal tunnel syndrome is caused by the nerve in the wrist. So when this nerve will compress, it leads to numbness and tingling in the hand, leading to this condition. So this is all about the musculoskeletal system of the human body.